How to mute someone on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go down the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option, then go on the followings that you want to mute. Then click on the following option and then select a person that you want to mute. Let's say I am selecting this first person that I want to mute. Then you have to go on the bell icon that is located up above. Click on that. As you click on the bell icon, then you have to turn off the notification of posts, stories or videos. Now I can turn off all of them, or I can also turn on some and turn off some. This is how I can mute someone on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.